A lot of people know coffee as a drink, something that helps them stay active and sleepless, literally. But did you know that coffee is excellent, not just for your skin, but also for your hair? It is an excellent exfoliator. It helps to prevent excessive shedding. It helps to darken your hair. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best ways to use coffee on your wash days for massive results, okay? If you're ready, let's start making. So I'm going to be adding just one sachet of the coffee to a cup containing hot water, and then I'm going to mix it properly and let it sit and cool down a little bit. So after it has cooled down, the next thing that we are going to do is to transfer this liquid into a container, because today we are using it as a shampoo. So the next thing you are going to do is to grab any shampoo of your choice, okay? If you have a DIY black shampoo, it is very fine. If you have a store-bought one, it is very fine, okay? Just pour the quantity of the shampoo that will be enough for your hair, for your entire hair, inside the coffee. All right, I won't be able to tell you the exact quantity to pour. You know how many times that you shampoo your hair, okay? So just pour the quantity that will be enough for you. All right, so then I'm going to mix it thoroughly to combine the coffee and the shampoo. Now once I am done, I'm going to pour it inside my applicator bottle. So for a while now, I've been diluting my shampoo with water just so that it will apply easier on my hair. But do you know what is even more better than water? Coffee. So I'm going to be sharing with you all the amazing benefits of this coffee later on. However, this is what my hair looks like, okay? So I prepared my hair a few days back and now I am ready to wash my hair. The first thing that I am going to do is to saturate my hair with water. This method helps to soften your hair, make the application of this shampoo so much faster and easier, plus save you some coin. Now what just happened now is one of the behind the scene things that happen when shampooing, especially when you're doing it outside of the shower. So I shampooed my hair twice. The first application did not lather much, but you will notice the second application will lather much more better, okay? And again, I went twist by twist to unravel each twist and then shampoo the rest of my hair strands, okay? All right, my love, so here are some of the amazing benefits of coffee for your hair. Like, the benefits are so numerous, but let me share this few with you. I always encourage you to do your research. You will be shocked at what you will find, both the good and the bad, and it will help you to make the decision whether to try the recipe or not. So before I start sharing the benefits of the coffee, I also want to mention first that you cannot just use any type of coffee, okay? I know that someone will ask me in the comment that what type of coffee. Please use coffee that does not contain sugar in it, okay? Plain coffee, the bitter one that does not have any atom of sugar or milk inside of it, okay? That is the type that you're going to use. Simply put it this way, use caffeinated coffee. All right, one of the best benefits of coffee is the fact that it stimulates faster hair growth. Now coffee contains caffeine. The caffeine is what helps to wake up hair follicles and increase blood flow to your scalp. This also helps to encourage faster and fuller hair growth. So coffee also helps to reduce shedding and breakage, because the caffeine in coffee helps to strengthen the hair roots, making your hair strands strong enough so that they don't fall off easily. The caffeine in coffee is what you need. I mean, that is actually the number one property that works wonders in coffee, okay? So that is why I said please use coffee that is caffeinated, okay? Don't use decaffeinated coffee. That one is not for hair, all right, or even the body. Did you know that coffee is a DHT blocker? And DHT is the hormone that is responsible for hair fall. Now one major cause of thinning hair is DHT. So what coffee does is that it naturally blocks the DHT, supporting thicker and healthier hair over time. Coffee also helps to soften the hair and make it appear more shiny. Like, this is so true, okay? When you infuse coffee in water or steep coffee in water and then pour the water on your hair, the coffee water on your hair, as a rinse, it makes your natural hair shine and leaves the hair feeling soft and silky, plus super moisturized. Like, I've tried using coffee alone on my hair and I left it for 24 hours, guys. The next day my hair felt really soft. Like, the coffee made my hair feel soft. I was thinking that it was going to make my hair dry out and strong, because of the caffeine, but no. The experience I had was a soft, shiny, dark looking hair after never just one use. Okay, so yeah, if you've not started using coffee, my sister, please start using coffee. Like, it is also a great exfoliator. Okay, it is gentle on the scalp, all right, but it also gets the job done. It helps to, you know, relieve build-ups, flaky scalp, and even dull and lifeless hair. Okay, all right, if you start using it over time, you also notice your hair become thicker. Like, your hair will look fuller in the eye. Okay, and the way it feels again. All right, my love, so I want you to give coffee a trial. You can use it as a shampoo. This way is the best way. Like, you are getting it directly on your hair, on your scalp, and it is also a good cleanser, you know, helps to relieve build-up and all. Okay, so try this coffee shampoo and let me know what you think. If you don't want to use it as a shampoo, you can actually use it as a leave-in treatment. Okay, but be mindful so that it doesn't stay in your body. However, it is actually going to help to darken your hair over time. So if you don't want to change the color of your hair, then maybe stay away from coffee. And if you don't want to grow your hair, stay away from coffee too, because coffee is excellent for helping your hair to grow. Okay, and the final but the most important part is to gently massage your scalp. Once you are done, you can use the pop of your finger, a scalp massager, but for me, I am using a tango teaser. Okay, and then when I wash it off, you're going to see how clean my hair looks afterwards. All right, my love, so we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this one, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to be trying this coffee, or if you have ever tried coffee on your hair before. What was your results? I would love to know. Please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to the channel for more DIY content such as this one. And last but not the least, please share this video. Okay, share it with your loved ones, share it with anyone you know that will benefit. And why not? This is the season of love. Okay, show some people some love. Okay guys, so our favorite nugget for today is taken from Isaiah 41 verse 10, which says, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." So this verse is speaking to someone today. Are you feeling afraid? Are you feeling anxious? Allow me to bring peace to your mind today. God is always with you. Did you know that there are 365 fear not in the Bible, one for each blessed day? Okay, so go out there with strength, with faith. Remember the verse in the Bible that we shared some time ago that says, "Which one among you by worrying will add anything to your life?" Okay, so do not fear, do not be anxious for nothing, but everything just present it to God, and the God Almighty, who sees in secret, who sees your sacrifice, your tears, your pain, and everything, at the right time is going to show up for you, and he will show up mightily. You know, sometimes God wants to do something in your life that no one will take glory for. So though it may tarry, but it will surely come to pass. All right, my loves, until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of your amazing self, and bye. Compliment of the season.